Hey everyone, welcome. I am sad to announce that I have the last Autoship from the Diamond Press watercolor collection. It's Harvest. Though I haven't used a lot of these, I'm going to miss getting these because I don't know. I've enjoyed getting them. I've enjoyed dabbling with them, in them, but this is it. So let's take a look. I haven't opened it to look at it. It's called Harvest, so I'm going to assume it's all going to be about fall. So all right, let's see what we got. I had a little encounter with watercoloring on the Crop and Create event, and it didn't go well. So I'm thinking I really need to break these open and actually watercolor and practice. I don't know. I'm fine with alcohol markers. I can smush, but boy, the lights and the darks and the tones and stuff, I just have such a problem. It's either too dark, it doesn't blend, or it's washed out. I don't know. All right, so we've got 3 stamp sets. Autumn Greetings, a corner cluster of leaves. We've got pumpkins. There's always a reason to be grateful. Oh, these are really pretty. With heartfelt thanks. Wishing you a harvest of blessings. Oh, that's so nice. More leaves. And look at the sunflowers. Those are so pretty. And then another little group of leaves. I love this. I should know these after doing all these fall events. That's a maple leaf. Poplar? I don't know. I don't know. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. This is adorable with the mushrooms and the acorns. A little spray. A little wreath. And then another pumpkin with leaves. Those are adorable. I like that. See, now I should start small, right? People who watercolor, make me a comment. Should I start small? Would that be easier? Should I go big like this or these? Help a girl out, because this whole watercoloring thing ends up in frustration every time I attempt it. So, but I'm willing to put some effort into it. Okay, and our metallic watercolor marker is bronze, which seriously needs to be shook up. There we go. It's bronze. Let's look at our watercolors. I do love these little tins. And I have to think, do I love the little tins because I love collecting them? Or do I love the little tins to use the color inside? I don't know. Isn't that the problem with what we do? Part of us is because we're collectors. All right, so let's see. We've got maroon, light brown, yellow ochre, or I don't know, viridian, gold, dark gold shimmer, brown glitter, rose gold glitter. It doesn't look brown to me, but what do I know? Sage green shimmer, indigo blue, deep purple, olive green, and brown. Lovely fall colors. All right. And did they give us anything except how to use a watercolor brush? I guess they don't. So we did get our paper though. Our black and our white watercolor paper. Yeah, this is just the instructions we've gotten with all of them. So this is a good one. I might dabble over the weekend. With trying this one out. Yeah. Let me see if we can see what color this looks like when we open it up. Let me know in comments if you have the Autoship on this. This doesn't seem like, well, I've only got 2 Autoships now. I've still got, I think, 2 or 3 of the kitty cat doggy one, and then I did the Autoship excuse me, when I got the Grand Marquis. So all right, let me get my pliers. And get that tightened. All right. So tell me what you're working on while I get this pumped. What's on your craft desk right now? Besides these, I am working on my monthly senior cards. All right, why isn't this working? Probably because I don't have the strength. Hold on. I hear it. I don't see it, but I hear it. Excuse me. Should be coming down the track already. Oh, here we go. Oh, all right. Let's shake it up a little bit. I was losing faith there. All right. Got it on one side of the brush. It's a very, very light color. Wow, hold on. Bronze. It needs more strength. I'm sure you can barely see it because I can barely see it. Shouldn't be this difficult. Can you see? All right, hold on. I'll be right back. All right, well, I shook it up and shook it up and shook it up. And I guess it's just a very light color. I don't know, because it comes out, I thought maybe it would look better on dark paper, but it's right there, and you can't really see it. But it's just such a light color. And I really have to squeeze it. It's more like a highlight. There you go. See, isn't that weird? Not what I was expecting. But it is what it is. But at least I got it to work. Yeah. So anyway, so I was asking what was on your desk. So leave me a comment and let me know what you're working on. As I was saying, working on my cards, monthly cards for seniors. And this is what the front looks like. Hopefully you can see the metallic-y there. So that's what I'm working on. Hopefully I'll get those done in the mail over the weekend. So, all right, so that's it. The last Autoship Diamond Press watercolor kit. Oh, and please, like I said, you got a hint. Are you decent, at least, at watercoloring? Give me a hint. Let me know what I should be doing, because what I'm doing now is not looking good. It's not working. I don't know. Maybe it's a heavy hand, too much water, not enough water. I don't know. So, all right. So leave me a comment. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's easy. You can hit that subscribe button. If you want notifications, hit the bell. And if you hit that thumb, that's the like button. It'll let YouTube know you enjoyed the video, and they will promote it more, which is important for little channels like mine. And don't forget the share button, because sharing is caring. All right, so that's it. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.